Welcome to the second video about factoring. Same idea holds true for this one because my lead or first coefficient is 1. You want to think of numbers that multiply together give you 48, but this time they need to combine or add to give you negative 14. I listed over here the factors of 48. 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. What you want to think of is the one that adds to give you, let's just say 14 to start, which 6 plus 8 is 14. So let's set up our parentheses. Instead of it being an x like we typically see, we have an n squared, so they'll both start with n. The numbers that add to 14 are 8 and 6. This time you need to be careful. They need to multiply to give you a positive, but add to give you a negative. When this happens, we will make them both negative, because negative 8 times negative 6 is positive 48, but negative 8 and negative 6 more is negative 14. So when the last term is positive and the middle term is negative, both signs are negative. Let's do another one. Here is the same idea. My number over here is 24. So either look at your factor sheet or use your calculator to create all the different ways you can get 24. I listed the 4 over here. Which ones multiplied together give you 24, but combined to give you a 10? I'm going to look here, and I say 10, but what I really want them to be is negative 10. So I need to be real careful with my signs. They need to multiply to give me a positive. I'm going to make them both negative because a negative times a negative is a positive, and negative 6 and negative 4 more would stay negative. Again, you could write the x minus 4 first and the x minus 6 second. The order would not matter.